We begin now with the spaghetti alla chitarra with anchovies and peppers. So we go ahead with the ingredients you need for it. To make the spaghetti, you will need, it's for 4 people, you will need 400 grams of semolina flour, 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Instead, we go ahead now for the seasoning ingredients. You would need 250 grams of fresh anchovies, 1 yellow pepper, 200 grams of black olives, possibly dried, 150 grams of pacchino tomatoes, 3 shallots, little basil, little parsley, some consommé of fish, extra virgin olive oil, and salt. Now we will begin to go through the whole process for the spaghetti alla chitarra. So, Maria, go ahead, puoi iniziare. So with the flour, you pour the flour making a little vulcano, a pinch of salt, then you would have to add the oil and the eggs. And you begin to mix all the ingredients until it's all incorporated and until you will have a soft bowl.
Do you have any questions you can ask?
What sort of flour is it?
Semolina flour. It's a different type of the hard flour. You can make it with plain flour as well, but this pasta hard flour.
Can we buy that?
Yes, in Australia.
Is that a better taste, Douglas? That flour?
Yeah, it's got a better taste, but it's stronger. If you want to describe it in Australia, stronger flour.
What, more gluten?
Yeah, see.
Sì, si deve lavorare.
You can see it's not white, it's more cream, yellow.
And in the south they will make orecchietti and things like that with just water and the flour instead of the egg.
Instead of the eggs and the oil.
Yeah, no, just water and the flour.
So this is the right way, should be soft. Now it's time to roll out the dough with the rolling pin until it reaches a thickness of 2.5 millimeters, more or less.
Precise.
Yeah, more or less.
Exactly. Has anyone seen a chitarra before? Or guitar? Saying? It's very traditional.
Now it's time to put the dough on the special tool called the guitar.
You want to get close to have a look.
No, va bene così.
And then you pass on the rolling pin.
Ho girato qualcosa?
Sì, l'olio è andato.
Ovviamente, sempre così, si deve fare un po' di forza.
Okay,
When it goes through, you get, they call it spaghetti alla chitarra, it's a bit wider, but as the wire goes over the pasta, it makes rough edges on the edge. And so when you have the sauce, it actually helps stick to the pasta, as opposed to a spaghetti, which is, the smoother. So,
and you have
even
two
though you
sides.
can't see
You can
the
have
rough
it
edge,
two
it's there.
sides. On one side it's a little bit thinner, and then it's larger on the other side. So this is the result.
There's one serve. How many do you need for dinner? 30?
Yes.
30 times?
Excuse me, Douglas, can we borrow that?
Ok.
Oh, I've seen them in Australia,
You're
yeah.
on Amazon for...
Okay, regarding now the seasoning,
Sorry?
Yeah, exactly. This is
we should cut in very thin strips the shallots, la cipolla, questo, the pepper, and you let them brown in skillet over low heat with a little extra virgin oil till peppers are soft, and you set aside. Then you cut tomatoes in 4 quarters and stir them with little oil for about 10 seconds. They look like this. And you set aside. After having washed, gutted and filleted the anchovies are filleted this way.
Here's some fresh ones that Raphael caught yesterday.
So you have to take the head off and take the bone
That's what
off,
he told me
and so
anyway.
you have them filleted. So after you have the filleted anchovies, you grill them in a pan with little oil, and this is the result. And you set aside. After having washed, then you cook the spaghetti in boiling water in a large pot. And in the meantime, you add some oil in a pan, you add peppers, shallots, the olives, tomatoes, anchovies, and mix all, adding a little of fish consommé.
Come qua,
Okay.
Fish stock.
olive pulite.
Okay. You drain the pasta and add all the ingredients, plus a handful of basil and some more salt to taste. You mix all well, and once placed on the plate, add some fresh parsley and a drizzle extra virgin oil. This is what you will have. It's a good buon appetito.